Well, I got the bolts in, I got the bed on, but this 3/4 inch socket's missing. And I don't have 3/4 inch wrenches here, and I just brought my toolbox to work and unloaded the tools that were in my truck. So, crap. Might be pooched. Crap. I gotta figure something out. I need 19. I got all the Allen keys though. I just don't have a 19 or 3/4. Maybe there's one kicking around in my truck. Cross your fingers. Well, making some good progress on the lathe. You guys will all have seen that, but I did it again. I can't believe I freaking did it again. Guess what's missing? The belts. Yeah. I really don't want to tear this thing apart again. So what I might do is order those, well, one of those not flex belts. I can't remember what they're called. They're basically like snap together belts, because I'm not. I don't want anything to do with taking that apart again. I had to press in that bearing because everything's cold and it just wasn't having any of it. But frig off, mice. Yeah. So I'm gonna order one of those belts, because if I friggin' need to service it, it's such a pain in the ass. So yeah, that's I'm gonna keep going. I'm just gonna keep going. Everything's moving really nice though. Like, oh, that's so nice. It's way nicer than it was before. I cleaned out the inside of here, the ID, cleaned out the ID of this. There was there's three rough spots on the spindle that I had to to address. You guys will have seen that. I used this, the soft side, and then I touched it up with the Scotch-Brite. And yeah, it's like smooth as glass, so that's way better. I did have an issue with this before, where I was running it in super slow mode, and this piece actually seized. It stuck onto the shaft. So then I was running this, so it just locked everything up. The motor started binding up and making a really bad sound. So I wanted to make sure the next time I had this apart, I addressed the spindle. So I have done that, and this thing rotates real nice. Just got to get some lube in there because we're a little low. It's not even up to the bottom there. Oop, now you can see it. Not even up to the bottom there. So the bearings are running dry right now. But spindle's in. Friggin' right. Ooh. Yeah, I gotta take that off again. Oh well, that was not hard to get on and off. Yeah, seal and then this. Oh, it's been a friggin' day, I'll tell you what. I'm just gonna stop. Back to the time lapse. Well, guys, I got this back piece in. I got it all nice and oiled up. I got a set screw in it to keep the oil in, and I'm running out of steam. Camera and the battery died, so that sucks. But yeah, doesn't look like it, but I got quite a bit done. The gearbox section is built. I think I'm gonna try to find it. There it is. Find a lid for it, then I can put it on and keep the mice out of it and frickin' debris from falling off the ceiling. Anyways, I think I'm gonna go for wings. Me hungry. Well, guys, back at her. I got it almost completely assembled. The only thing I got left is the motor assembly, and I am very, very much hoping I have enough clearance back there. I'm sure I do, because I had this table butted up against the wall before. But I don't know, part of me is a little worried. But yeah, I went out, got some food, got my second wind, and started just flying at it. I got everything cleaned up. I took this shaft. There's a piece that attaches underneath there. I didn't know it could come off because I didn't know that this keyway went all the way through to the end of the bar here. It stops on this side. You can see right there where it ends. So I didn't know that part. I was like, how the hell do they build this? And I looked at the other end. I was like, oh, that makes sense. I slid it off, cleaned all that out. That's that little assembly there. There's a gear in there. I thought it was brass. It was very tarnished steel. But yeah, you can't even see it. It connects to the brass. Yeah, you can see it a little bit down that bottom gear in line with the shaft there. I thought that was brass. It is not brass. But yeah, I think this is going to be a royal pain in the ass to clean out. So what I think I'm going to do is when I get the motor put on and that link belt ordered up, I'm going to run the lathe. I'm going to get like, I don't know, wire brush and just run it along as it's going. I think that'd be the easiest way to clean it. So other than that, everything's cleaned up. Just a couple of chips on top there, but I took this, the cross, no, that's not the cross slide. Angle slide, top slide, I don't know. What, that one. I took that one off, cleaned it all out. I have yet to do this one. But this thing, there. This is where the nut for this Acme thread is, and it's broken. My grandpa actually fixed it. It's got a little bit of play. So I want to see if I can fix that. Make it much more stronger. I think, no, that's not the only play in this. That's not bad though. I'm more concerned about this because when I'm doing inside boring, I have to push on this as I rotate this back to set my my inside cut. Otherwise, it's fine. I can live with that slop there, but that one has to be addressed. And I've tried tightening up the keyway or the I can't remember what that piece is called. Shim, this guy, on that one, and it didn't help. All it did was made it really tight. There's no side-to-side play in it, so that is properly done. But it just has a bit of slack because of the nut being repaired. But oh, you know what? Maybe when I get this thing going, I can machine a new nut. Maybe it's just the nut that's wore out, all wallered out. But yeah, I can just make a new one. Anyways, I am beat, so I think I'm gonna actually call it a night now. I don't feel like lifting any more heavy stuff, and I'm kind of frustrated that I forgot to put that stupid belt on before I assembled the spindle. Oh well. But tomorrow or whatever day is another day. I am done for this day. So thanks for watching, guys, and until next time, take care.